8, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as usual, emergency tea and coffee. Let's do it. So video will go by dates. John Lewis, big one. So this is a very nice spot to eat food. The market down there. They have wide. Oh, you can see that from there. They have very nice spots to enjoy the food. And inside as well, Marriott. They have a very nice spot to enjoy the food. And there are a lot of bikes to park here. I think somebody decided to park and everybody said, you know what, let's see. They still have 1 to 5, small bike. Yeah, this one is slightly big, it's a 600cc. So this is small shopping center. As usual, not very small means you can go outside from there to go museum. We can go this way because there's a lot to see for the city. We get to show the people what we're seeing, and of course we can miss this one. Should we go and come back from there? See what is it being? Yeah, for the eating. City means that people can enjoy the food, have a little spaces and everything, and most of the videos will be translated. If I will be speaking Urdu, then it will be translated in English. If I was speaking English, then it will be translated in Urdu. We can translate into all the languages anyway on Earth. Big target, yeah. So, no, Urdu is a big target. Hindi reason because it's been spoken by 2 billion people. Indians. Yeah. Yeah. They're gonna fast forward. We're gonna go from there because rather than going all the way down, we can show from here. Reason is that we don't have to go all the way back. Reason it's gonna take a bit longer. We have like a 3, 4, 5 hours walk, and it's gonna be massive walk to cover. We're gonna take the stairs on the way back. 12th floor. Stairs. Huh? you want to grab something on the way? No, but we want to be all in the city anyway, so a lot of places we're going to see along the way. Go to Cardiff University, make the video of Cardiff University. Then we have an interview with the Cardiff University administration team someday. That will be making money, not for free. Road arcade. You wanna go? Huh? Oh, sorry. Let's go. Road arcade. No. What? What did you say? What did you say? Somebody says here, yeah, this is how the infrastructure should be built.
No,
Yeah, at least like that.
I look at it.
Yeah. This is how the infrastructure should be built. Okay, now which way we have to go? This way back to the high street, or this way back to Wonderland? Oh, these are the best. Old records. That's the best place to explore in Cardiff. Because we have a little time, we will explore. What do you have in mind for lunch? Huh? You go to the Radisson Blue.
Okay,
You don't care about that since last 3 days. Now you start to care. I am. So once a while I was having a sugar issue, so I didn't eat too much sugar anyway. That's all it's gonna be. Thanks to you, I'm eating it now. So there's one, they are down there. Church, you can see. Church. So, shopping center. The one down there is it. As soon as I'm gonna leave, come to the main road, I will stop this because there's no point of getting too much big video. Then we have to cut it back and it takes too much storage. So having said that, city center is quite big. That will be part of the full video anyway. Like a 7-8 minutes will be city center. The remaining 8 minutes gonna cover the rest of the part of it. Park, we're not gonna make the full video of the park anyway. We just entrance, we're going to park. beautiful spots. We do that.
Oh, what is this?
Art gallery. Seems like a museum, isn't it? Building, and it is already 10 minutes off, and still we are going through the shopping center amazingly.